Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Arculus wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. With the crypto landscape evolving, this guide will walk you through the latest steps to ensure a hassle-free transfer. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. It's super important to double-check that your USDT is available in your wallet balance. Remember, USDT can be on different networks like Tron or ERC20, so verify which one you're using to match Binance's requirements. Always select the correct network to avoid any lost funds. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the Send or Transfer section. You'll see an option to select the asset, in this case, USDT. Enter the amount you want to send, but be mindful of any transaction fees that might apply. They can vary based on network congestion. Step 2. Now, head over to your Binance account on a separate device or browser for security. Go to the Deposit page, select USDT, and choose the same network you have in Arculus. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Do not share this with anyone. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Send and confirm the transaction with any required wallet authentication, like a PIN or biometric scan. After you initiate the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Binance account, depending on the network. Keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like TronScan or Etherscan. A quick pro tip: always use a small test transfer first if you're unsure, and never send to the wrong address. That's a common mistake that can lead to permanent loss. In 2025, with enhanced security features, make sure your wallets are updated to the latest version. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent USDT from Arculus to Binance. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.